So we're being called out to an area down near Liverpool. Contractor's gone through a fibre lead in, so we're going to repair that and get a new STS fibre cable in. So once we do the repair, the PCD's mounted up there on the neighbouring house, so it's come down and crosses the boundary where they're doing the gas main here. Just right out the front, as you can see, there's limited public verge where they cross. Feeds up to the pit just up there where my guards are. Then it does a loop, runs down to the multi-port located just down the road there. So we'll get in, we'll do this repair, then we'll pull through a new STS leading cable and have it all ready for the tenants when they get their NBN fibre service connected. We've replaced that section, repaired that section of P20 now, glued it all up, put the joint in, extended it, and now we're just going to pull out the cut STS cable, and we'll pull in a new 5 STS leading cable connected up to, I believe, multi-port 6 it is, at the multi-port located 3 doors down. Okay, so we've pulled out the damaged fibre leading cable. There it is there. We did have a little trouble, we had to ride it through here due to a crook bend in the wall, but we ended up getting it through. We've cleaned and cleaved the fibre, fitted a new SC-APC connector on, just taken an optical reading at -17, so NBN specs are -13 to -23, so we're right in the middle, so that's a good strong signal. So we're just about to put it back through, and the customer will have their service back on. So we've completed now, we've replaced the leading cable. As you've seen, we got a reading of -17, so that should be all good for when the client come home. Contractor's now refilled it, so this is where we made the repair on the P20. We pulled the new lick in, went up to the lead-in pit there, had a loop through, and down to the green power box there. There's another P5 pit there. That was where the multi-port was. So we've done that. Everything's all finished.